Hi guys, this is the Able Life tray table. I already have it assembled, which was pretty straightforward. The only tools that were required were 2 Allen wrenches, which came with it, and a screwdriver. You'll want to place the tray table alongside the couch or chair that you plan to use and adjust the horizontal tube to the correct length so the legs of the furniture are centered on the rubber pads. The handle assembly can then be adjusted up or down depending on your needs, which makes it easy to customize for different users and furniture heights. When you're done using it, just rotate the tray out of the way and use the large handle to assist in standing up. That's one of my favorite features because the tray doesn't get in the way when you don't need it. Perfect for those chairs that are harder to get out of. It provides a stable handle to help when sitting down or standing up and can be especially helpful for anyone looking for a little extra support and confidence. The tray itself is great for eating, using a laptop, reading, or just relaxing with a cup of coffee while keeping everything within easy reach. I also like that it blends in nicely with the furniture and doesn't stand out in the room. Overall, it feels like a practical furniture upgrade that adds both convenience and support.